How to see locked profile on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you how you can see locked profile on Facebook. So take note that Facebook lock profile feature is designed to protect user privacy, so there is no legitimate way to bypass or unlock someone's profile without their consent. Attempting to hack, exploit, or use third-party tools to view locked account is unsafe and violates Facebook's policies and can put your account at risk. So, the first legitimate way for you to see a locked profile on Facebook is to send a friend request to the specific user. So, the simplest way is to add the person as a friend if the add button is available. So, once they accept, you'll be able to see their posts, photos, and other shared content depending on their privacy settings. Second is to follow public content. Even with a locked profile, some users may share public posts. You can follow them to see updates that they choose to make public. And last is to check mutual friends. So you'll be able to check that under the friends section. If you share mutual friends, you may see tag posts or photos that involve the locked profile. This depends on the privacy settings of both the person and the mutual friend. So why Facebook introduced locked profiles? It is to enhance privacy for users in regions where online safety is a concern and limits visibility of photos, posts, and friend lists to non-friends, prevents misuse of personal information by strangers. You cannot force access to locked Facebook profile. The only legitimate way is through friendship, approval, or viewing public content. Anything else risks your account security and violates Facebook's rule.